In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall email in Zendesk. If you've ever found yourself in the awkward situation of sending an email prematurely or, even worse, with incorrect information, you might be looking for a way to unsend or recall that email. Unfortunately, Zendesk does not offer a built-in feature to recall or unsend an email once it's been delivered to your customer's inbox. This is a crucial piece of information to keep in mind as you manage your communications. Once an email has left Zendesk's outbound servers, there is no direct integration that allows you to stop it from reaching the recipient or to remove it from their inbox. You cannot simply convert a public comment to a private one or delete it in Zendesk with the hope that it will retract the email already delivered. Once it's sent and in your customer's inbox, it's out of Zendesk's reach and control. However, we do have a manual correction method that can help you handle such situations gracefully. If you realize that you've sent an incorrect or unintended email, one practical approach is to send a follow-up email as a public reply. In this follow-up email, you should start with a sincere apology. Acknowledging your mistake upfront helps maintain trust and credibility with your customer. Next, clarify any misinformation that might have been included in the previous email. Make sure to provide precise, updated, or corrected information to rectify any misunderstandings right away. Your goal here is to ensure that your customer leaves with the right information, feeling reassured of your attention to detail and commitment to accuracy. In addition to sending this corrective email, it's also wise to add a private note or internal comment in Zendesk. This step ensures that the error and the actions you've taken to resolve it are documented for your internal team's reference. By doing so, you create a record of transparency and accountability within your team. This might also be useful for future training sessions or evaluations of similar situations, helping your team avoid similar errors going forward. Making mistakes is a human trait, but how you handle those mistakes makes all the difference. While Zendesk might not have an unsend button, by following these steps, you can effectively address any accidental emails with professionalism and care. Acknowledging your errors and moving swiftly to correct them demonstrates not only your customer service skills, but also your dedication to maintaining strong client relationships. And with that, you now have the knowledge to address those unintended email mishaps in Zendesk. Remember, even if we can't directly recall an email, how we respond can turn the situation around positively. Thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification on this process.